Hey folks, I'm Laura Tempest Zakroff and this is the Witchual Workout. For today's movement experience, we are looking to the Oracle at Delphi for our inspiration. In particularly, the Pythia. The Pythia are the seers, or were the seers, the priestesses who sat on the platform that was spanning this crevice in the earth, where some scientists say that the fumes, from these fumes they were experiencing and giving those visions and prophecies and hallucinating from it. That's an interesting theory to go down, but particularly in the name Pythia, it comes from Python. And part of the later mythology is that Apollo, the god Apollo, slew the python, and then the temple was dedicated to him. But there's a lot of theories going that the python was possibly an earlier serpent deity. It protected the navel of the earth, that there was some connection there, that the oracle was present there long before Apollo came into being. And we see this theme again and again throughout the world. There are so many different myths where the world is created by the new gods out of the old gods, particularly serpent or dragon-like deities where their bodies, their bones, their blood become the new world, that bestow gifts of prophecy, of vision, of creation, moving forward. And this is connected to when I talk about in Anatomy of a Witch, the serpent, one of the five, the 5 parts of the witch's anatomy that is symbolic, but it taps into our intuition, our primal self, and our powers of transformation. So pulling into the Pythia is that earth aspect of ourselves, also the fire and the air, the water, all of these elements are combined, pulling from ourselves and seeing the world anew. And for this particular one, I'm going to do the warm-up, and then we are going to do this one seated, right? Just like the Pythia did, on a pedestal, on a platform, over the crevice of the earth. So let's get started. Deep breath. Exhale. And deep breath. Exhale. Really deep breath. Exhale. Scoop up and over. One more set. And up. Up. Connect the feet to the ground. Line up. Opposite arm and hip. Reach for the sky. Open. Relax forward. Hanging down. Roll up. Shoulder roll. Reverse. One more time. Shake it out. And breathe. Down to the hips. Nice Just relax and shimmy. Front crescent. Back crescent. Circle. Reverse. And again, stretch up. Breathe in. Bring in air, fire, water, earth, above, below, to you, to me.
Relax, leads me down, down into ground, down into ground. I'm following a trail of winding sail, a slippery slow, deep down below. I'm following my steps. Black snakes slither slowly beneath the word. I think I know. I shed it like a skin. I go within. I'm stripping back, back, slither black snake to play again. I flow like water, seeking serpent way to low ground. I flow like water, seeking serpent way to low ground. Black snake leads me down, down into ground, down into ground. Through memory and bone, through root and stone, leaves me alone, deep down below. The life worth living. Black snake leads me down, down into underground, into underground. I'm swallowing my tail, a winding scale. I circle round, round, I spiral down. I'm ready now to start again, start again, start again, start again, start again, start again. Start again, start again, start again, start again, start again, start again. Now move like water, seeking serpent way to low ground. Now move like water, seeking serpent way to low ground. Oh, Black snake leads me down, down into ground, down into ground. I'm following a trail
hope you enjoyed this little exploration into the Pythia. It's definitely been an inspiration of mine for decades. And I think it's something fun to explore, especially if you're interested in mediumship and also really improving your powers of intuition and connection to the body as that vessel for the serpent. So, hope you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe. I will see you again soon. Bye.